Hi, welcome back everyone. In this video guys, I'm gonna show you one Samsung feature that's definitely gonna blow your mind. Well, what is that? Well, actually, when you go to gallery, right, and go to albums, so you cannot just lock your folders by usual, right? But what if I tell you that you will be able to lock these albums after turning on this feature? So interested? Let's dive into it. First, you go to gallery. Click on three lines, click on settings, scroll down, and there is about gallery section, right? So once you open up this, you're gonna tap on version number multiple times until it says gallery labs is enabled. So once it's done, you're gonna close this gallery, go to gallery again, click on three lines, go to settings, and then you're gonna just simply scroll down. So now, as you can see, there is gallery lab section. So you open up this section and there is album entry locks, right? So it's written UT for one UI 5.x, right? So it means that if it's below than that, it will not be showing to you. So once you enter to this gallery labs, you're gonna see album entry locks. So you're just gonna toggle this on, click on OK, and then close this gallery labs again. So now you will go to gallery section. There is albums. So now I can lock this album very easily. I'm just gonna press and hold on that and then click on more and lock album. If I want to open this, I'm gonna go to this download folder and then use my pen. So now, as you can see, it's opened. So if you want to turn this off, you just simply click on three dots and then you just unlock album. Just simple as that. So it was Emrah Tech Video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If this video was useful, please subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and follow for more. Peace.